Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your whiteboard by drawing onto it on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website on your device. Go to this section, tap on whiteboards, and here you can see all of the available templates at the all whiteboards section. Select a template and tap on use template at the top. You will be directed to the whiteboard and click on this draw button, which is on the left side of the screen. That's the second button. Here you can use your tool, whether it's a pen or a highlighter. Here you can use whether you would like your pen to be thin, regular or thick, and you should start writing or drawing. So start drawing, and here you can change the color of it too. On the left side, as you can see, there is this black circle, so you can change the color of it, and basically that's how you can draw. If you want to use the eraser, you can do so by tapping on this eraser button below these shapes. So tap on it and just simply erase your drawing. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.